Hello. So today we're going to be building the flip-flop. And okay, so just for starters, these don't have to be these colors, and you can either remove a Lego tool if you want, if that helps you. So, let's just get into it.
Yes, let's get into it.
So, you're going to need 12 2x4 bricks, one 4x one 4x12 plate, one 2x one 2x12 plate, two 2x8 plates, and 6 2x4 plates. So first, you're gonna take, and these don't have to be this color. I'm just using this color because these are the only ones I could find for it. So you're gonna take 2 of these, or actually 4. So you're gonna take all of these and stack them on top of each other in stacks of 2. I'm not gonna stack these 2 on top of each other because they're only in stacks of 2. Now, you're gonna take 4 of your 2x4 plates, got them right here, and you're gonna take 2 of your 2x4 brick stacks of 2, and you're gonna place 2 on each one, just like that. There we go. Now you're gonna take 2 of them, and you're gonna take 2 of the 2x4 stacks, and you're gonna take your other 2x4 plates, and you're gonna put 1 on each stack.
So this suitcase.
And now you're gonna take 1 of your 2x8s, and you're gonna get the leftover 2 stacks that don't have any plates on them at all. And you're gonna put the plate in the middle of them both, like that, just like that. So now you should have this, something looking like this. Doesn't have to be those colors. Now, you're gonna take your bricks with 2 plates on them. Oh, this is... Sorry. Now, you're gonna take your stacks with 2 plates on them. And you're gonna get your other 2x8 plate, and you're gonna put it in the middle, just like you did with the other 2x8. Now you should have something looking like this. Again, it doesn't have to be these colors. Now you're gonna take your stacks with one plate on them, and you're gonna take your 2x12, and you're gonna put it in the middle of them, just like you did with the other with the 2x8s, but just with the 2x12, like that. So now you should have something like this. And so now you should have this, 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 and this. So you're gonna get your 2x8 with no plates. Well, they shouldn't really have no plates. They should have. Okay, so you're gonna get this, the stacks with no plates, and you're gonna put it right like that, right there, with 2 studs left on here. Now you're gonna get your 2x12. Now you're gonna get your bricks, your stacks with the 2, with the 2 things on it, and you're gonna put it right like there. Now you're gonna put these together. Or actually, wait. Take that bottom plate off. Now put these together. And don't put them together like this. Or actually, no, do put them together like this. Put them together like that. And now, get your other one with the 2x8 on top, and put it right like that. Not over it like this, but just like that. So now you should have this contraption and this. So now you're just gonna place that onto here, and boom, you have your flip-flop. As easy as that. Yeah, you shouldn't do that though. It'll come apart. And this is cool because you can move it around when it comes off. You can move it around, turn it around. It's just really cool. Okay, gotta turn that and place it back in there. Oh, that makes it easier. Thank you. And now, yeah, you just put that back like that. And flip-flop. You got your flip-flop. And that will be it for the video. Bye! This was a tutorial on how to build a flip-flop. Sponsored by Lego, because if Lego wasn't made, you wouldn't be able to make this beautiful creation. Bye!